Ready to unlock cinematic visuals with your Sony Fx3 and the Polar Pro Basecamp system? First, attach the Basecamp adapter ring to your lens, ensuring a snug and secure fit for seamless filter integration. Next, slide your desired Polar Pro filter into the matte box, whether it's a VND for controlling exposure or a diffusion filter for a dreamy look. Now, mount the matte box onto the adapter ring, tightening the screws to lock it in place, providing both lens protection and creative control. Adjust the filter to achieve the perfect exposure and desired effect, witnessing real-time improvements in your footage through the Fx3's monitor. The Polar Pro Basecamp isn't just about filters, it's also about safeguarding your precious lenses in any shooting condition, from sun-drenched beaches to rugged landscapes. So, elevate your Sony Fx3 filmmaking with Polar Pro Basecamp, transforming ordinary shots into professional masterpieces. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more filmmaking tips.